Hello everyone. From now, I'm gonna talk to you guys about one of current ASU's educational problems and also solutions to it. The problem is that there is lack of support for international transfer students, which is one of advisor problems. I'm gonna focus on this problem from three different perspectives. Number one, what's the root cause of problem? Second, how are students affected by this problem? And the last one is, how could this problem be solved? First, what's the root cause of problem? There are four factors in this section. The first one is advisors' lack of knowledge about transferring and international education systems. Since ASU has 3,500 international students from over 100 different countries, where the education systems may be quite different from those in the US, it seems that not so many advisors are familiar with those systems. The second factor is miscommunication between advisors. The transferring process sometimes needs multiple advisors to be involved, so miscommunication between advisors sometimes happens. The third factor is slow work of advisors. And the last one is, since one advisor handles lots of students, it's hard for them to thoroughly deal with their work. Next, I'm going to explain how students are affected by those problems. Firstly, students have to wait for a long time to get the transferring process done by advisors. This brings frustration to students. Next, when miscommunication between advisors happens through the transferring process, this leads to the delay of transferring process. Also, because of advisors' lack of knowledge about the international education systems, students may be able to earn only small amount of transfer credits even though they already earned tons of credits. This causes delay of graduation for students, which is a significant issue for students. Actually, I and some of my friends had this problem before. We all had already graduated from college in our home countries and wanted to transfer to ASU as international transfer students. Because we had already earned about 120 to 130 credits, we thought we could at least transfer about 60 credits in order to graduate in 2 years of ASU life. But the fact was that we could transfer only about 30 credits, which delayed our graduation significantly for 1 year and so. Also, when going through the transferring process, it took so long time and we had to wait until the work got done. That made us frustrated. These things happened because of the advisors' lack of international education systems, strict regulation of transfer credits, miscommunication between advisors, and the slow work of advisors. I and my friends were almost going to dislike ASU itself. We seriously wanted ASU to make the transferring process smoother and go faster. As the final perspective, I'm going to talk to you guys about how ASU could solve this problem. There are three solutions to this problem that I came up with. The first one is to let advisors have much more knowledge about international education systems other than those of US, and to make the regulation of transfer credits less strict. This would significantly make the transferring process go faster. Next one is to increase the number of advisors to get rid of their much work. By this, it's easier for advisors to complete their work as soon as possible. The last solution is to let advisors have a good communication with each other to avoid making miscommunication. As long as ASU and advisors consider these solutions, the transferring process for international students would work and wouldn't have any problems anymore. Thank you so much.